Hello investors, welcome to Chart Shastra. Today is day 21 of our 100-day price action challenge. If you see, for the last few days, the market has been fairly consolidating and literally there is no move, right? It looks very boring. What I call this as a no trade zone. Here, if we zoom out, you can see that the most recent support is somewhere around 23,300, right? If the market goes below, we can take short positions. Or if the market breaks out and move above this 24,800 and for the final confirmation 25,200, then we can initiate a long positions. But as long as the market is within this range, there is no clear direction. You don't want to trade here or you don't want to waste your time or brokerage here because these are just sideway moves and there is no inherent trend left. If you look at Nifty Junior, the same thing is repeating, right? Even in the Nifty 100 too. The market has been consolidating sideways. It has become very dull since this is the last week of the year. The volumes are also very less. If you look at Nifty mid cap or small cap, same thing is repeating here, right? In fact, the small cap has taken a little support here, but again going sideways. Today there has been some selling in the micro cap too, some kind of downward pressure. So if you look at the broader market, this is what I call the no trade zone because there is no clear direction here. And why to waste our trades while there is no direction, right? Same thing happening on the Nifty total market index. If you look at the sectoral charts, there has been today, it has been a bit volatile day for Bank Nifty, but again, the closing is very weak. Even the Nifty private banks too, the same thing has been repeating. If you look at IT again, there is a flat. Looks like there isn't inherent direction. But if you look at the auto space, you can see that it is up 0.8%. Looks like this there has been some kind of support buying in auto names, right? We will dig deeper into the individual names. Even the real estate has also taken support here and bounced back, and I like this closing in the real estate too. Pharma has been doing very well. In fact, if you want to take trades in such market, I think go with the pharma or the healthcare stocks because they have been acting much stronger than the other names. If you look at FMCG, very weak, telecom, very weak, healthcare again, very strong chart, right? So that's all about TV. And if you look at Nifty Media, in fact, it has broken down. See, this was one of the major support, and today it has clearly broken down. So the weakness is still persisting in the market. Now let's come to our daily analysis, starting with Reliance. So you can see that avoid oil and gas sector or energy sector because Reliance has been one of the largest weight in this sector. So, best case is to avoid stocks like Reliance. EV and TCS, too, there is no inherent direction here. HDFC Bank is also acting the same way. If you see, all the stocks are consolidating. There is no prior trend or strength left in the market. If you look at ICICI Bank, similar kind of price action. Almost, if you know, let's go with State Bank of India. ITC has, at least it is bit looking better. Maybe trying to come out of this base, then we can think and see whether we can trade the position or not. Hindustan Unilever again very weak, slowly sliding down. LIC too, slowly sliding down. In fact, this line is one of the major resistance support. So let's wait until it's breaking down. HCL Tech 2 again going sideways. L&T, same story. Tried to break out here, again came back here. Now currently in the no direction. That's why if you try to take the trades now, you might be get trapped because there is no inherent direction. But look at Sun Pharma. Today it's one of the most interesting charts. I've told you that if you are an aggressive entry taker, 1832 is a level where you can take entry. Otherwise, you can wait for this 1845 or 1850 level to take the entry. Since it is hardly only 1.1%, so why not we wait for the confirmation because the market isn't looking good. So we can take the entry somewhere above 1850 and stock should close above this level. Our stop loss could be somewhere around 3.5%, 4%. Bajaj Finance again no inherent strength. NTPC seen very weakening and look at the consolidation. Maybe it is forming another uh, consolidation here to break down and that would add opportunity to short the names, right? Axis Bank again, same story. Unlike HDFC or ICICI, this bank has become very weak over the last few sessions. So kindly avoid trading this name. Maruti, we have seen some form of bottom buying here. Let's wait. Let's not just carried away by single days move. That's what I always highlight. Connect the dots between the sessions. M and M2, it has taken support and currently moving up. But again, we would be only interested in this chart when it breaks above this 3000, 3100 level. Now coming to ONGC, if you look at ONGC, same story, just like NTPC going down and forming consolidation now. Tata Motors too looks like last two sessions there has been some moving, but it isn't enough to change our view. Ultratech today it has been a very large spike, but I am actually disappointed because the closing is very weak. Even look at the volumes, it isn't great. So ignore the price action last few days. It has been not good. Adani Enterprises, same story. Power grid, in fact, it is just hanging at this crucial support, right? We have just put an arrow. If it breaks this level, it is a good point to short the name. Titan again, no direction, very choppy, right? Look at here. There is no single point of direction or trend. Bajaj Auto, same story again. Probably some kind of buying at this support. If the supply is more than the demand, we would again see a correction in this name. Adani Ports, a bit reliever, you can see very volatile name. It has gone down, looks like a dead cat bounce. Again, all this correction has been absorbed by singles day volume. It's a good thing, but again, let's just not get carried away with one day move. I'm always repeating that. We would only change our view if there is a consistent, strong price action on the chart. Coal India again, a perfect shot, working very well, nothing improved in the stock. Look at here, Asian Paints. We have been seeing this name for almost last 20, 30 days, right? It has become weaker and weaker and weaker again. Every time we thought there would be some buying, there is no. Wipro is taking some time. Good thing is it is still respecting this 300 level. When and only it breaks above this 315 or 320 level, we are good to go long position. Till then, just be patient and wait and watch. Same story in Hindustan Aeronautical. No inherent strength here. Going sideways. Ignore this at Bajaj Finserv. See, this would be the new support acting now. Let's wait and watch whether this support would be respected or not. DMart, just like Asian Paints, not looking good. Still much weaker. Trend is still holding up. That's a good sign. It is one of the stronger names in Nifty 100. And only when it breaks above this 7200 level, we are good to go. Till then, it is only watching market. Don't take any positions. It's very choppy out there. Adani Green, same story, no major improvement, although a positive day. Simon's too. Since look at this, this is a major fall, right? Only 3 to 4, 10, 5 sessions, it was down 17, 18%. So it needs some form of supply absorption here. So do not touch it. JSW still becoming weaker and weaker. It's going down. If you look at the weekly, it has always respected this channel, right? Let's see whether this channel is respected still in the future days or it would be a bounce back here. Only time will tell. So do not uh, guess, always don't try to anticipate the future. Just react to the price which is occurring each day. Look at Adani Power. No, you can't predict it, right? Zomato has been becoming weaker and weaker. Look at here. If it is a stronger stock, I ideally want to have a strong buying here and a bounce up candle. But it is not forming anyway. Nestle too becoming weaker. IOC, no inherent trend left. Bharat Electronics, same story, sideways consolidation, not looking good. Varun Beverages, same story, sideways consolidation. Geo Finance, it has become very weaker, and if you look at it since April, it has formed its top. Since then, the stock has done nothing. In fact, it is down 23%. So do not waste your time here. There is no, it is very choppy. DLF2 say still going in the sideways, although the reality stocks were doing good, but the DLF is not acting well. Again, the sentiment has become very weak. People are not buying into these fancy sectors. Tata Steel too again going down, no inherent strength. Vedanta, see, this was a very strong move, but again it got quickly absorbed and came down. So the market is very choppy. That's why I'm saying it is a no trade kind of zone right now. Do not take any positions here. Wait for the move. If it is going down, go short. But if it is moving up, then go long. Till then, do not do anything. Same thing in Grasim. IRFC again becoming weaker and weaker. LTM, it used to be one of the stronger names, but till I guess we have reached this support. See, it has taken multiple support at this 5600 level. Probably a few more consolidation here, and the strength direction would come. Indigo, in fact, we have initiated a buy. Indigo, the Tuesday. It was a very strong breakout, and today I've been seeing a very good action. And look at the volumes too. These volumes were double the average volumes. So that's a very good signal. And literally, we have been waiting from here for it to consolidate, and this was the perfect moment to buy. And in fact, we have bought Indigo. So good stock in a weak market. TechM, same story, still consolidating sideways. SBI Life still consolidating sideways. Pidilite going down, weaker and weaker. Not good. There is a lot of support here. Let's see whether it would respect that support or not. ABB2, same story. See, no, all the power stocks have become weaker. Divi's Laboratory still are respecting this support. As long as this support is respected, it's good. But again, it has become choppier. The other pharma names like Sun Pharma, or Torrent Pharma, or Dr. Reddy's are doing well. HDFC Life still hanging at the 600 levels. If the 600 is broken down, right, you might see another correction. Hindalco again going down, nothing improvement here. PFC too, same story. Look at here, all these spikes. Whenever the stock comes around this 430 level, there has been a quick buying here. But again, whenever it is coming between this 500, there has been a quick selling. So the stock is in the range bound, no direction. It is very choppy. Trading in such endless stock is nothing but wasting our time. Britannia, it was a good shorting opportunity right now, consolidating. Probably a little more consolidation and again a breakdown would give you another shorting opportunity. Ambuja Cement not looking good. See, it is also becoming weaker. We thought cement stocks were doing well, but it doesn't. Gale also, no trend, very choppy name. Tata Power, we have discussed a lot in past videos that power sector has become very weak. So it is just taking some support at this level. REC2 going down, no major trend here. Motherson Sumi still very weak, consolidating here. Any breakdown here would be a new short position or an opportunity to buy put option. But do not go long on this name unless and until it breaks above 180. We can't say that the selling has stopped. Till then, it looks very weak on the chart. BPCL2 very weak name, no prayer, very choppy. Godrej Consumer Properties, I think, consumer products, you know how the stock is very weak, strong downtrend. Eicher Motors in sideways, nothing interesting here. Bank of Baroda too, nothing interesting. Look at it. Since July, it has been trading between this 260 and 230 levels. Only between the 30 rupees range, it has been trading for last 5, 6, 7 months. So no trend, very choppy. Cipla too, again, nothing here. Very choppy name, right? JSW Energy. It is just hanging at this support. Maybe a little consolidation and a breakdown would be a perfect opportunity to go short. TVS Motor, nothing here. See, same sideways. Torrent Pharma looking good, but again, we told you that unless 3500 level is taken out, we don't take any buy position in Torrent Pharma. Even in Sun Pharma, we were waiting for that line breakout. Right? Only then we would initiate a call. Sriram Finance not looking good, still becoming weaker. Sola, in fact, it has broken down. We have discussed, right? At this stage, I want the stock to move up and stay there, consolidate, and again move back. Otherwise, it has to consolidate here and come down, or it might go sideways. Bajaj holding very strong, still holding up, but due to lack of the market action, this is not taking clear direction in the market. Once this 11,500 level is taken out, right, you can see a very strong move, but looks like the market atmosphere is not cooperating for trading. Adani, see again, just going sideways, nothing happening. Punjab National Bank, too, very choppy name, not looking good. Dr. Reddy's, it was in fact one of the stronger names recently. It is consolidating here. A little more consolidation and the small base breakout would give another opportunity to buy. United Spirit still acting very well at least, but again, since we know that it is a very slow mover, we can't expect rapid moves from this stock. Lodha is taking support here, good thing. Any little bounce back would give a perfect opportunity to buy pullback entry. What is a pullback entry? When stock goes up and it pulls back and takes support at this 21 EMA or 50 EMA and starts to move up, that is what we call a pullback entry. iPro again, see, same just like Chola, right? It has broken down this support again going up. In fact, if it closes above this level, we have created a short position here. We can close that short position for a minor loss. Havells looking very weak now. Bosch also not looking very good. Apollo Hospitals acting very strong, but again, as we have been discussing, only take entries when it breaks above this range. So have patience. Wait. Zydus, nothing interesting here, still becoming weaker. I thought this consolidation was some sign of bottoming, but looks like the stock is going down again. If it breaks this level or this 920, right, it might be another leg of selling. Hero Motocorp, very weak name, strong downtrend. Naukri too, just like other IT stocks, is still deciding whether the market should go up or not. They are just confused. Tata Consumer Product again going sideways, maybe little consolidation here and breakdown would be a new shorting opportunity. Same story for Dabur too. No improvement here, no forms, no signs of bottom formation. Lombard also looking just like similar. This was a false breakout. Again, it quickly came back to this range. Jindal still very choppy name. Ignore this name. Free cement has also again become choppier. I did not expect the stock. This was a very strong move, but again looks like the stock was going down non-stop. So it is very choppy, so avoid free cement too. Canara Bank again going down below this 100. Maybe the nearest support is at 94. If it breaks down below that level, again it might go down. Same story with Union Bank. All the PSU banks, they are not correcting at the same time. They are not moving up. They have been just sideways. IndusInd, very weak name you can see here. Consolidating, but again a new opportunity. Same kind of story. Every time it goes down a little bit of pullback on the upper side, and then a fall, and then a fall. Same story. Adani totally has no improvement here. NHPC also no improvement here. BHEL also still the stock. We have created a short here. It is still acting well. No major signs of reversal. IRCTC too becoming very weak. So that's it for the 100 stocks today. So currently the market is in the no trade zone. I request you not to take trades. If you want to take trades, only take in the names which have a very strong direction, either on the upside or on the downside. So thank you for watching my video. See you tomorrow. Thanks.